Do you also feel this way while preparing for your IIT NEST exam? Exhaustion, worried, not feel like eating, stressed, feel like crying, frustration is building up, but you don't know what to do with it. Well, these are signs of burnout, and here are some tricks that can help you. If you feel too overwhelmed with everything, just stop whatever you're doing, go take a walk in the nature. It is going to help you a lot. Number two, try taking cold showers in the morning because it will help you boost your good hormones in the body. Now, number three, what you can do if you ever feel this way, take short breaks. Do your preparation in short duration rather than sitting for 6 hours, 7 hours. Sit for 1 hour, take 20 minutes break. 6 for 1 hour, take 20 minutes break. Do these, if you do these cycles and set, like if you have very long term goals, try to shorten your goals, try to reevaluate your goals and reward yourself after every achievement. This is going to help you boost your preparation, keep your mind healthy, and it is going to speed up your preparation very well. If you need more tricks or if you need more solutions, comment down and we will let you know. All the best.